Today we're going to feature a film emulation preset from Preset Pro, and over here we have the Creative Flow, Lightroom presets and profiles, and down here we have the film emulation presets. So we're going to go into the Kodak film emulation and we're going to open it up. And if we go down right to the bottom, there's a bit of a surprise here. We've got the Kodachrome 64 presets. So let's start off by boosting up the exposure on this photo. Go quite high on this one. And there we go, that looks nice. Close down the side panel, bring it over here, and let's check out some of the Kodachrome presets. Starting at the top, you can go all the way down and see the different variations. I really like this one, but let's check out the film, cool, warm, boost, and there's a color one, and you can see the difference there. It's really nice. Brings out that split toning color. So the one I really like though is this one right here. Give that a click. And the cool thing is when you click on that preset, if you go over here, you'll notice that we have a profile. So it's already at 50 and we can dial it up and you really get that Kodachrome look. So you can really scale it to where you see fit for your photo and bring it over there. That looks amazing. So now we can check out before and after. Let's go to the top and we're going to hover over the reset here. There's where we started, before and after. Really gives it that nice Kodachrome look. Got a lot of texture in it and it has nice colors too. So let's check out side by side. There we go. So that was a quick look at the film emulation preset Kodachrome 64 preset and profile, available in the film emulation collection or the entire Creative Flow.